The bus stop was right in front of our hotel, so we decided to find out where the stops were and the cost. Fortunately, our hotel had all that information, and the cost of a bus for a day was $5.75, which is a good deal. Pop on, pop off, have it all day, no problem. But when we read the fine print, the really nice thing was that for anyone who had a Medicare card, the cost was $2 for the entire day. What a steal! And we went everywhere on the bus, including the time we went too far past our hotel and didn't realize it until we were 12 blocks away. So what we do? We got off the bus, crossed the street, got the next bus going down to our hotel, and arrived safe and sound and tired. One other thing about the bus is it runs everywhere, not just in Waikiki or Honolulu, but wherever you want to go on Oahu. So if you wanted to go to the North Shore, hop the bus. You may have to transfer a few times, but you can get there. Now, it could take you a little while, but you get there. And if you have your Medicare card, just remember, it's $2 for the entire day. These buses are an important mode of transportation for everyone on Oahu. They can carry bicycles. The front platform drops down to the curb. You wheel your wheelchair on. They bring the platform back up, which makes you level with the inside of the bus, and then you can go down the aisle, and they have a special place for you to sit if you have a wheelchair, and the wheelchair can be folded up or it can be locked onto the bus so you don't move while the bus is moving. Okay, so what about if you want to bring your surfboard with you? No problem. They got a place for that too. I mean, it is a very well designed and thought out mode of transportation for everyone.